Ateneo University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Her hobbies are texting and watching TV, and she wants that if you want to reach the highest, start first at the lowest. Ladies and gentlemen, our charming candidate number 13 is
Daisy Jane Milalios from Dulho Dos. Finally, we have candidate number 14.
Candidate number 14 is a student of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at STI College Tagbilaran. She is 17-year-old Cindy Claire Arcade Loa, 5'4" in height, and weighs 45 kilos. She was born on May 30, 1993 in Lipa, Batangas, but is now a resident of Poblacion, Panglao, Bohol. She is the daughter of Liceria Loa. She believes that if you leave everything to God, but never leave God for anything. She wants to work or have a job in a cruise ship or in a 5-star hotel in a foreign country someday. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 14.
Cindy Claire Cloa from Poblacion Dos. And that wraps up our preliminaries, ladies and gentlemen, before we make the cut to the Magnificent Seven.
Yes, and that is a glamorous evening gown competition. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you to My Madam Productions and to Panglao Youth Organization, especially to Miss Amira Alia Aya Montero and Madam Nila Paredes Montero. And of course, to the PYO Chapter Presidents Raul Poblacion is Junji Bongkak.
From Dulho Field.
James Clement.
From Log.
Vanessa Horida.
Bilisan.
Joy Bell Bompa.
Tangnan.
Renny Boy Bongaras.
Lourdes.
Sammy Rulida.
From Bolod.
Gabby Loreche.
From Libaong.
Tony Dumaluan.
From Tawala.
Mary Ann Bongot.
And of course from Danao.
Raymar Corserada. And then
And
of course,
let us not forget, of course, our Federated President, Amira Alia Aya Paredes Montero.
once again, friends, the 14 lovely candidates of Miss Panglao 2010.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we give a round of applause for our candidates in the evening gowns? Thank you so much. And now to serenade our 14 candidates and lend an air of romance feel to our beauty pageant tonight, please welcome our star from GMA, Mr. Marco Alcaraz.
Good evening sa inyo lahat. Ano? Kay sarap ng may minamahal, ang daig ay may kulay at buhay. At kahit na may pagkukulang ka, isang halik ko lang limutan na. Kay sarap ng may minamahal, kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang ibig. How are you here? Kumusta? Okay lang? Ayun, hindi po bawal pumalakpak. Ngayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ngayong gabi! Murag katugon na muda. Nantok na ba kayo? Ha? Nantok pa? Gusto nyo bang isa pang kanta? Asa na bet? Ha? Asa nga rin? Kumusta man mo nga rin? Nag-enjoy mo? Ha? Huwataon niya ha, kay magawas si Yunsa. Akong love of my life, si Precious Lara Kigaman, magawas niya. Ay sa mo lakaw kay mag-enjoy pa mga rin. And syempre, good evening sa mga wonderful candidates nato. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga candidates natin. Ayan. And good luck to everybody. Ano, gusto niyo ba kumanta ako? Ayan. Well, sige well, isa pa well. Sabayan niyo ako ha. Asa.